Hi, this is Doug Raleigh, Ed Tech for Salt Lake School District, and here's how you do an image search for royalty-free images using Google search. So first, just type in a search term you're looking for, like I chose mountains, and then you need to switch it over to images. And from right here, you'll see a button that says Tools, and click on that, and then you'll see usage rights right there. And then you have 5 choices there. Not filtered, which gives you everything. Labeled for use with modification, labeled for use, and then the non-commercial ones. These tend to have a little more freedom with or a little more choices. So if I choose that one, now all these are labeled for non-commercial reuse and safe to use in your websites. But you should still always cite your source, and the best thing you can do is get permission. Okay, thanks for watching.